Andhra Pradesh. I have joined the investment banking in the HICM Institute. So I got the better knowledge here regarding to the investment banking, fund accounting and ratio analysis, NAV calculations, NAV errors, loans and process of loans and mortgage. This is the institute where you can get the better knowledge about the fund accounting or investment banking or equity research. So I will recommend this course to other students also as well, who are looking to build a career and get the better opportunity for the in the investment banking as well as fund accounting and equity research.